Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this video today I'm going to tell you about how to compress, convert, edit, split, merge, delete, rotate, and also two things more, that those are e-sign and protect your PDF. All those things in a single video on a single website. I know this is a thing which is very common and very easy for anyone, but if you don't know, doing it instantly is not a smooth process, I think. And why I'm using this website and instead of any other dedicated software that I'm going to tell you about in this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the website's name is smallpdf.com. It's my favorite one. So why I'm using any website other than any dedicated app or software? So the reason is that I really wanted to make a video which is beneficial to all irrespective of what device he have. And my question to you is, why to burden your device with such software or apps when such smooth online resource is already present? And this is really smooth. I will tell you how. So what you have to do is just do a Google search for what is shown in the screen, and after doing that you will be reaching there. So you will get a similar interface here. Okay, so if you are visiting this website for the first time, what you have to do is simply make an account, sign up. I have already made an account, so I just reach it directly. So here is the interface. Just click on tools. After clicking on tools, you will be having the list of all those functions or tools what this website can perform, but here it's still not that organized. So what you have to do is click on any one and scroll down. Yeah, you will reach here. So here it's pretty organized according to their properties, divided into categories. So here is everything which is present on this website. You can just check it here, and if you want to know in brief what each and every tool will perform, just hover over them. You will get a pop-up message which will clarify. So let's start with the compress tool first. I will just tell you one, and after having the knowledge of that, we will be explaining each and every one, because the use of each and every tool is same, just the manipulation is little different. So first you have to click on this. So for importing the PDF file, it gives you a facility of drag and drop, or you can, if you have mobile, what you can do is simply click on this. You can import your file from the local folder, or if you have mouse like that, you can easily do that by drag and drop facility. So as you can see in the pro version, you will be getting 75% compression, so you have to pay for it, but leave it. This is the free one. Click on it, compressing, and here the file is ready. So what you have to do is simply download it. So that is the process. So this process will be repeated for each and every one. So I have already explained the compress tool. So for explaining the other couple of tools, what I have done is that I have already clicked on them, uploaded the file, and put it into different tabs. Why I have done this? To save some time for uploading. Okay, so for the split one, if you want the PDF if you have unwanted part in your PDF, if you want to divide the PDF into 2 parts, 3 parts, or even more, so you can use this tool. After clicking and uploading your file, you will get the interface like this. So yes, you will get some extra facilities in the pro version, but don't worry about that. You get what you paid for. Click on this, extract. So you will get an option like this. So there are 6 pages total in this PDF which I have uploaded. Suppose you want only first page, third page, and the 6th page. After that, what you have to do is simply extract. If you want to zoom and see, if you are finding difficulty in seeing which page to select, you can do this. And after, what you have to do is extract. That's simple. After that, what you will do is simply download. You will see the preview. 3 pages has been extracted, and that's all. So for merge PDF, if you want 2 PDFs to be a single unit, okay, there are 2 PDFs that wanted to be in a single unit, you can use this tool for that. On this merge tool, it's have a little different type of import process, so I am explaining it again. So click on this. You have to choose 2 PDF, open in one. It will take some time for uploading depending upon the internet connectivity and the file size. merge files, choose option. After that you can rearrange also them. You can upload more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as much as you want. Merge PDF. It will take little time again, and after that what you have to do is simply download it after checking the preview if it is correct or not. That's all. That is it. So let's move to the next section, view and edit. There are 5 tools over here. I will explain each and every one in brief, as I already said that I have already clicked on this, uploaded the file and put it in different tabs so that we can save our time. So the PDF reader is quite simple. I'm not going to explain this because it's as simple as any other software which is used to open and read a PDF. Okay, so about edit, when you will click on it, you will get this. This is a PDF, simple PDF. There are a couple of tools, there are a couple of sections which can be used. So let me do it. This is a simple pen which can be used to write anything you want with freehand. These 2 things are highlighter. This highlighter is freehand. Organized way of highlighting. Yes, this one is text. You can insert some text also, and after that, inserting that, you can adjust its size also. Large, yes, you can do it from here. So you can insert also shape, any shape. The shape means the color and the width of this shape, or the width of the shape can be adjusted from here. You can click it here. There are some colors. I know the variety of the colors is very limited. No problem. The size the boldness can also be changed. You can also insert image from here. Click any image. Yes. After clicking, you can adjust the size here and put it over here. I know no one will want to edit the PDF like this way, but it's quite horrible. But I just wanted to show you each and every property of this in as fast as I could. So number pages. So sometimes you have seen you have number on your PDF like 1, 2, 3, 4, like in any book. So you can insert this also. So after click on this and uploading, you will get. So here you will be asked where should be the position where number should be there. So generally the number used to be here. Click on this number pages. There are 6 pages in between here. So let's see the preview. Yes, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way it will be numbered. You can download it from here. So the next one is delete PDF pages. In a PDF, suppose there are some pages which are unwanted. You want to delete it selectively. So what you can do it, click on it, upload your PDF, and after that you will get to have like this, and you can delete as much as pages you want. If you don't want this page, delete this. Don't want this page, delete this. In this way you can proceed. Apply changes, wait for the preview to come, and after that you will get there are only 4 pages. 2 pages has been deleted. So that's all. You can download it from here. So the last one is a rotate PDF. So there are some times when you want the elements of that PDF to be in landscape mode other than portrait or any other orientation. So you will get here option to rotate your PDF in the integral rotation of 90 degree. So what you can do is simply click on left to have this, right, left, right. Apply change. I know in this PDF it's not needed. I'm just taking it as a sample PDF. Some PDF can be having scenery in this orientation, then it will be very helpful. Download it from here. So that was all about edit section. So let's move to the next section. These are convert from PDF and convert to PDF. So these 2 sections are almost similar. Each and every tool is similar. This does is simply converts one file format to another. So in the first category, it converts any file from PDF. That means if you have any PDF file, you can convert it into these four file formats. And if you have any other file formats, then you can convert it into PDF. And accordingly, just as written, it's all crystal clear. Instead, I will show the first one, PDF to Word. I have another tab. After that, what I will do is simply click on this. Desktop, sample. This is my PDF. After that, click on this, choose option. It will take some time to convert. Yeah, what you can also email it from here by clicking on this link, download. That's all. After clicking on this, you will be having it in the doc format, you can also edit it from here. Okay, that's simple. I don't think this need more explanation than this. So that was all about these two sections. This is similar for each and every one. You can do it from here. So let's move to the next section, which is important. That is it's not that common, but yeah, that's very important. E-sign and protect, means sign and security. So I will first explain e-sign PDF. So sometimes you want your signature in the PDF. There are some documents which will require your signature. It may be some examination form or any other thing. So what you have to do is click on this, import your file. I have this file, PDF. So what you have to do is simply create signature. So there are a couple of things. You can draw your signature here itself if you have touchpad. You can do it for, I will do it with my mouse just for demo, but it will not that authentic. You can also upload the signature if you have the PNG transparent image of your signature. That will be very useful, I am saying. So for demo I am just drawing it. I am writing my name, HARSH. Okay, create. If you have touchpad, then it can be done here itself. So that's all. What you do is simply drag and drop, adjust the size, fix the position, click. That's all. And there are some additional facilities. You can add text from here. You can add date also. If you are not putting the date, it will by default take the current date. You can adjust the font also. So that was all about this section, but there is something very important here. If you want the signature of a person who is not under your geographical reach, I mean that if you want the signature of a person who is residing in Delhi and you are in Mumbai, then what you can do? So simply what you do is add signer, put the first name, the last name of the person whom you are sending, put the email of that person. I am putting my to so after that it will add, and after that checking it again, review and send. So after that what you will do is again write your name. It's from that write your name, and after doing this you will click on finish and send. Yes, send. So what it will do? What it will do is it will simply email that person with a request that please come and sign. On his email he will get a link, and after clicking on that link he will be directed to the smallpdf.com, and he will do his signature in the similar way as you have done, and after that you will get an email of that he had signed on your that easy. So these are some extra features what you get in this subsection. So now moving to the last one, that is very important, protect your PDF. So if you want your PDF to be accessed by only some person who knows the password, so it's simply encrypting it with some password. So let me click on it. It's very easy. Click on it. So choose your password wisely and memorize it. I am using a simple one just for demo. ABC encrypt PDF. It will take some time. Okay, preview is not available. Oops, what happened? So it's because it's encrypted. So what you have to do is simply download it. After downloading, click on it. Now enter your password correctly and submit. And if you have entered your password correctly, it will open. So that easy. So the last thing which I want to tell you about this website is, if you have any PDF that is frequently used by you and frequently edited, manipulated by you, then what you can do is simply upload it on the cloud storage of this website. After clicking on upload, click on sample 2, and after having some time it will be uploaded here. So you need not to upload it again and again, so that it will save your time as well. So I think this was all about this website.